Greetings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly dispose and recycle a helium tank. Now, this particular helium tank is from Balloon Time, which is very popular here in the United States. It's sold at Walgreens, Amazon, Walmart. If you use it, you don't want to just throw this in the garbage because it's a lot of metal and you don't want to be harmful to the planet. So the only thing you're going to need is a hammer, a screwdriver. It really doesn't matter if it's flathead or Phillips, either will do, but a heavy duty one would be good. And then a wrench or pliers to unscrew it, and then safety glasses as well, because you don't want to damage your eyes. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that there's no helium left in the helium tank. So in order to do that, you just turn counterclockwise to the left and you push down, and you may hear some helium go out. If there's a lot of helium still left, go ahead and take it outside and do it outside. So after you know that it's already, all the helium's out, what you'll do is put on your safety glasses, and then what you're going to do is you take your wrench and you're actually going to turn this one, Balloon Time, to the right, like this. And I could probably finish it off with my hands. Make sure your safety glasses are on. There we go. Now there's going to be like a little hole punch here on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a hole right in here. And that'll verify to the recycler that it is empty, that there's no helium in it. So take your screwdriver and your hammer, and what we're going to do is put a hole right here. The hole was a little bit more difficult to punch through than I initially expected, but it looks like I got it. So basically it's a little flap here in this hole, and you're trying to get it to where you can groove up. I tried the Phillips, or rather I tried the flathead for a while. I was having difficulty getting through, but the Phillips did a much better job of actually staying stable while I was hammering the hole in. And basically once you get a lip right here, then you're good, because it doesn't have to be exact. So what you're going to do, as soon as you get that little lip here of metal, you can pry it open. So you can see there, it just goes up like that. And as long as you got a hole here, that's all that you need. And now the next thing you want to do is get like a marker and mark empty on there. Went ahead and printed out my own empty there. Now it's ready to be taken to the recycler. Again, most recycling places that pick up your recycling stuff at your house will actually accept these as long as it's properly disposed of. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.